Right, so this is when we find the factors of the last number. So in this case, and we called those P, right? So that was 1, 3, and 9. And then factors of the number with the big exponent in front. So factors of 2 are 1 and 2. And then you divide them. So I'm taking my blue 1 divided by 1, 1 divided by 2. Then I have 3 divided by 1, and 3 divided by 2, and 9 divided by 1, and 9 divided by 2. All right, so you've got to find all of your factors. So like I'm looking for this list. Right, so there's going to be some questions where I just ask you to do that, like we did at the very beginning of 3.1. So, first, I'm looking at the number at the end. I want to find all the numbers that I can divide into that number. So I can do 9 divided by 1, and by 3, and by 9, right?
But why the P?
That's just what it is. It's always P and Q. Right, so 139. And then I look at the number in front. All the numbers I can divide into that. So all its factors. So 1 and 2. And then I take everything from this list and divide it by everything from here. So I did 1 divided by 1 to get this. I did 1 divided by 2 to get that. Then I'm done. So then with 1. So then I'm doing 3 divided by 1 and 3 divided by 2. And then I do it again with 9. And I would do that for as many numbers as I have on top and for bottom. That help?
Yeah.
Okay.
You're multiplying.
What?
Are you multiplying or adding?
Neither?
You just stuff numbers.
Okay. All right, so then we did synthetic division next, right? So that's the one where I give you a factor. So let's say x plus 3. And then we're going into x to the 4th plus 5x to the 3rd minus 5x squared minus 45x minus 36. So, what goes in my box? -3. All right, remember you change the sign. You change the sign from the factor to put it in the box. Right, so then I bring down my coefficients. So, 1, 5, -5, -45, and -36. And then bring down the 1. 1 times -3 in the box is -3. 5 plus -3 is 2. 2 times -3 in the box is -6. -5 plus -6 is -11. The -11 times -3 is positive 33. And plus -45 is mental math that I don't want to do this early in the morning. Yep. Okay. Yep, -12. Then times -3 is positive 36, and we get our 0. Okay? So, you guys did pretty good with the synthetic division, I feel like. So that part shouldn't be too bad. Yeah. So, like, on the quiz, like I said, I'm going to give you some like we just did. I'll give you some where you just have to do the one step of synthetic division. And I will probably just give you one long equation, maybe 2. I haven't decided yet.
Is that for honors or for people on honors?
Both. Everybody's got to at least solve one equation. I might have honors do 2 equations, but you chose this, I think. Okay. All right. So, what questions do you guys have? That's all we're doing for the quiz, yeah. So, because we need to get...
So how long is this quiz going to be? Like 15 questions?
Probably. I would say maybe 15 to 20, but I feel like if I do 20, a lot of it's going to be the basic synthetic division like this. So, but you won't have more than 2 long equations to solve.
So what are we going to do this evening?
I will have practice problems for you guys to work on just so you can practice for your quiz.
If I
Yes. Because it was due yesterday, so, which is now today, but that was yesterday, so. Do you guys want to go ahead and start on some of these practice questions? Okay. So we're looking on page 135. So let's go ahead and do 1 through 6.
On page what?
135. 11 through 14. And then I'm going to say pick whatever two you want from 15 through 18. Those are the equations. So I don't care which two you pick. You could just do 15 and 16. 135. It says review of polynomial and quadratic equations on the top.